Hello and welcome to another episode. It has been a while, and excuse my voice. I am a little under the weather, but I wanted to get this video out for y'all. In this video, we're going to be covering percentiles, and much like some of the other mathematics that I've done in this series, while it in and of itself is not very complex or important, when we put all these techniques together, it'll come out to something very useful. So let's just actually jump into it right now. Percentile is really simply, I want to know what the average value of something is at X percent. So that'll be kind of like if I have all these numbers here, what's the 50th percentile? In this case, it would be like 5 or 6, probably 6. But let's go ahead and let's just make a little function to do that. And we'll say get in percentile. And you can see here, the math is actually pretty simple. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to sort our array because we do want that ascending. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the n, which is our percentile, and we're going to multiply that by the length of the collection. So the number of items we have in our list, and then we're just going to divide that by 100. That's going to give us a partial number, which will cast to an int, and then we're going to use that as an index for our sorted numbers array. Really straightforward. So let's go ahead and actually let's use it now and see. So let's get our 50th percentile here. And then let's go ahead and run it. Oh, we got to print that. All right, there we go. Look, we got a 6 here. And again, this is easy to test because, well, we got 1 through 10, but we could very well change this with something where we could add some bigger numbers, and we can also do them out of order. So let's do a 205 and then a 190, and save that off. And then now, if we run this, our number is going to be 8 because we have all these higher numbers now. Now, what we can also do is do something like, let's check out our 90th percentile. This is probably going to be the most important things for you when you're doing this, is finding the probably the 99th, the 90th, and maybe the 75th percentile. And at that point, there you go. Really simple, really short. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Peace.